behind me, right?
Hopefully it goes further east. Just disappeared. Look at that stuff blowing up in the air. It's trying again. Look at it, Nate. That thing hooks to left. You better get ready to run inside. Hey, where's our hurricane shelter?
Crazy.
That is crazy.
Look at how low and fast those clouds are.
Yep.
Dude, this right here is bad.
There it is, there it is. Let's touch down in Westfield on Union Street. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. This whole thing right here.
Right there. Right there. Look. Right there.
There it is. There it is. We got it. Come on, baby. Get up there. Yep, debris field. We got debris field. There it is. Train tracks. Train tracks. There it is. Woo, baby, come on.
What the hell?
There it is. West Springfield. Woo, baby. We got a tornado in West Springfield. On the ground. At the railroad tracks. Baby!
Shut the doors! Guys can't be there.
We got it, we got it.
There goes the trees.
There goes the trees.
Yeah, you know maybe a car.
Look at that. Oh my God.
It's a tornado.
It's a tornado in West Springfield.
Oh my God!
Well, what was that? It's like some sort of fire?
Steam. That's the debris.
No, but it was,
Yeah.
something was coming out. It's probably like the power line.
This is
that
coming
ripped
our
out.
way, you guys. We need to. It's much
Whoa.
closer. We need to get in away from the windows.
Yeah.
I told you, you're making fun of me, and I told you I grew up in Missouri. I know what these suckers look like.
I wasn't making fun of you.
No. I'm not doing it anymore.
It's the darkest cloud.
Look at all that.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Look at this! Look at this!
Everybody get down.
Oh my God! Look at this! Look at our smoke! Hands up!
Everybody get down. Everybody get down.
See the church on the roof? Yeah.
Somebody call. We gotta call 911.
Why? Why? What happened?
Because there's debris all over the place.
Yeah.
Trees down everywhere.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do anymore. Now it's coming right at me. Oh my God! What do I do?
It's coming this way.
I think it's died though, no?
No, that's not
Look at
died.
all the
Oh my
wires.
God. It's going to the bridge. All the cars.
Holy crap.
It's in the river.
Oh my God.
You should go tell people, Melissa, to move away from the.
No, it's coming this way.
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, I don't know what the right thing to do is here, but it seems like it's coming right towards us. Hi.
Hi, I'm watching a tornado out my window right now.
Earthquake in March.
This is really scary. It looks like a tornado is going right across the highway right in front of me.
Just watch for signs or anything coming our way, dude.
There it goes. There it goes. Oh, that's fucking sick, dude. Yeah, it is. Feel the wind? Look at that debris.
Look at that building right there. That whole thing just.
Holy shit.
Keep an eye on that sign right there.
I don't know, just fucking buckle up or what, dude?
I don't know what to do. That's gone. That's.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My hood's open. My fucking hood's open. My fucking hood. Oh my God.
He's shaking his truck.
Oh, that's fucking awesome! Look at the roof!
Look at that truck. Holy shit, that truck is, it looks like it's about to flip over.
That's fucking crazy.
Oh my god!
Holy fuck!
The building!
Holy
Holy shit, it's pulling shit off the roof!
Oh my god!
Come on! Go! I'm a junkie, I can't help it.
I'm looking at everybody. I'm like, what is everybody looking at? And I look up and I'm like, you're kidding me. This is.
Oh my god! Look at the roof.
Yeah, there it comes. Shut the door now, because we're getting the back end of the wind.
Yeah, we don't want that. Oh my god.
Wow. Am I your way?
No.
Dude, look at the roof on that building right there.
Oh wow.
Holy shit.
Dude, that missed us by feet.
Mini tornado. Legit. We're going to die. We're driving in the eye of the storm.
This is ridiculous. Dude, this is insane.
I'm so happy we went tracking. Holy shit! Dan, I'm so happy I'm filming this right now.
Holy shit. There's no trees around.
That's fucking nuts. Get the fuck out of here. Seriously, get the fuck out. Damn, the ceiling, look. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Stop. Drive, you fucking retard.
Shit, dude.
I hope you're...
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Woo! I can't believe I got that on film.
Across the street!
Insane. There's shit everywhere.
Shut up! You're fine. You're fine. It's right there, that's why. Come on.
Wow.
Oh God, yes. Look at it. Oh.
Look at that. There it goes.
Come on.
It's getting stronger too.
That
shit's crazy.
Yo, that shit's fucking close.
That's mad close.
Yo, Divine, you know what? I'm about to go ahead and tell this fucking forget it. This shit is fucking crazy. I'll turn around.
Cody's at the window.
Wow.
My dad told me.
Looks like it's breaking apart.
Going down south, Branch?
It's really it's going down South Branch. It's like on top of Veterans right now.
Oh, look out! Oh my God! There goes the central sign.
Sign.